another to the on right now. Welcome everyone to the DUOS Fast and Furious Treadmill Racing Tournament. On this side we have Torettos versus Torettos, all dumb Torettos. Hobbs and Shaw versus Team Letty. Brian versus Brian. And Team Han versus Team Brother and Sister Toretto. So, pick your favorite team, and let's get started. Round 1, race 1. Team Toretto versus Team Toretto. We have the lifted Charger and the Plymouth on the left. Ice Charger and GTR on the right. And the Plymouth almost takes him out single-handedly, but knocks himself out. GTR tries to avoid a collision. Lifted going backwards. What a battle so far. Neck and neck at the front. GTR wobbling like crazy. And still holding on somehow. Knocking into the lifted Charger. Not letting up, trying to break free. But the lifted is not letting him get away. And it's still neck and neck in the corner. Both cars able to steady themselves. And the GTR is still in it somehow. The incline is moving up. And wow, we're at top speed, top incline. And they're both still on it. Sorry to pull back just a little bit. And the lifted wins. Round 1, race 2. Team Letty versus Team Hobbs and Shaw. Letty comes in to split up their team, trying to take out the Peterbilt. Peterbilt falls back and rams into Letty. McLaren and the Rally Fighter on the other side, staying super steady. The Peterbilt got his doors wide open, and we're getting some wobbling here. The McLaren cuts ahead, but slams into his own partner. Somehow, Hobbs is able to save himself. Right behind Letty, but bouncing back. Not quite able to keep up so far. Letty quite a ways in the lead. Incline is now almost fully up. Letty falling back, not able to hold on, and Hobbs wins. Next up is the battle of the Bryans, Skyline and Supra versus Subi and Mitsubishi. My bad, Mitsubishi and Mitsubishi. No Subaru in this race. Both teams go to opposite sides. The Skyline comes in for an attack. Almost takes him out single-handedly. Goes for another hit. Falling back. Can't save it. The Supra going backwards. The Evo drifting. Hits another 180 for a straightaway. And another twist. The Supra is just completely silent on the other team. Isn't enough to win. And knocks them. Can he save it? Almost does. Avoids them again. It's not enough. The Mitsubishi wins. Next up, Han versus Team Brother and Sister Torettos. Final race of round 1. Torettos go for the side. Team Han splits up. Han and the RX-7 moving towards the other side. Everyone very calm in this race. What a surprise, considering all of the previous races today already. And finally we're getting some action here. Mia and Han bashing it out. And Toretto, Dom falling back first. Not able to handle the speed. Mia slams to Han, but the Hans win. Round 1 results are in. Team Toretto 1 moves forward. Team Hobbs and Shaw moves forward. Team Green Brian moves forward. And Team Han moves forward. Here we go to round 2. Round 2, race 1. Team Toretto versus Team Hobbs and Shaw. Hobbs already going wild and takes out the Daytona. Just Shaw and Toretto left. Neck and neck at the front. Shaw's front is wide open. We'll see if that affects his racing ability. And we're getting a little bit of wobbles here. And Shaw smashing into Toretto. Toretto trying to fight back. Hits him, hits a 180 and wins. Round 2, race 2. Team Brian versus Team Han. Team Han going for the attack right away. Team Brian not letting him do it at all. We got Brian in the Evo doing the craziest drift right now. I don't even know how he's holding on like this. Han in the back, shaking quite a bit, trying to break free. And Evo might line up here and try to take the win, and they both do, but they slam, and Han wins. And now for the championship match, Toretto versus Han. Who will win? Championship match, Team Toretto versus Team Han, and the Daytona is out instantly. Will the lifted Charger be able to clutch the 2v1? Having won both of their races backwards so far, we'll see what they can do. Han in the Supra slides, able to steady himself somehow. And he's drifting again slightly ahead of his own self. And the incline is now moving up. We were at top speed, 12 miles an hour. And Charger slams into Han and flips over. Han barely wins. And Team Han is the winner of today's DUOS Treadmill Racing Tournament. Up next, we have the Battle Royale, every single car on at the same time. So let's get to it. Now, the Fast and Furious Ultimate Battle Royale. 16 cars. Toretto, Han, Letty, Brian, Hobbs, Shaw. Who will win it? The Supra trying their best to get up to the front, going backwards and forwards. The Skyline blocks off a huge chunk of people, doesn't let them pass it, and takes out a lot. The Plymouth in the back, somehow on the side. We have a couple competitors left in the front who will win it. And they're all falling back. Who's going to clutch it? Han and Toretto, and Han wins it all. Team Han is the ultimate winner of today's videos, winning the tournament and the Battle Royale. Did you guys guess it correctly? Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know what cars you want to see next, what tournaments you want to see next. I will be reading all the comments and will do my best to make all the videos. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I love you all, appreciate you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.